So after almost dying this morning, let's see if we can continue this day a little bit better, shall we? Whoa, we're about to have some breakfast. We're gonna go to one of the waterfalls that I've been looking forward to the most, NAUYACA Falls.
So this is the office you go to pay to get access to the waterfall. Then they show you which road to go down to, where you can park your car, and then you could take their truck, or you can just start walking from here to the falls.
So for this waterfall, you can actually hike it, which takes about an hour and 30 minutes to hike all of it to the waterfalls, or you can just take the truck, pay a little bit more, be lazy like we're being. No, we're not lazy, we're just tired and wounded, so here we go.
Looking for adventure. And whatever comes our way, yeah, I gotta go make it happen. Take the world in a loving embrace. Buy all of your guns at once and explode into space. Like a true nature's child, we were born to be wild. We can climb so high, I never wanna die.
Hold on. Oh, this guy's got skills.
Oh my god.
This guy's got skills. I feel kind of bad. Every other hikers that we're passing, like, you know, they're stopping and they're looking at us like, these sons of, like, man, you should have taken the dang truck. I feel like we're royalty of the countryside. So once you arrive with the truck, you get to this spot where they have bathrooms and changing rooms, and then you just gotta go down the steps, and then we'll make it to the falls. I definitely recommend coming here early as possible. That way you can enjoy it when it's less crowded. We got here at 10 o'clock and it wasn't really that crowded, but now you can see there's a lot more people here and more people keep coming. So if you want to enjoy it when it's less crowded, definitely come early.
So after getting thrashed and cut by the wave on the rocks hours before, I decided to do something else that possibly seemed a little risky.
So I'm feeling pretty satisfied. I jumped off the top of a waterfall in Costa Rica. want to get a better view of the falls entirely, just come across from the entrance and come up here, and you'll be able to get a better look at it. The fun doesn't stop at NAUYACA Falls. Go to the second level and keep exploring. Gabe is stuck somewhere up there. We wanted to climb the top of the rock to get a picture, but we have to go, like, we have 2 minutes left. How much time we got? I don't think we got enough time, bro. And he's disappeared. I don't know where he is. Okay. So es mejor ir por aquí. This guy over here disappeared. Trying to get to the top of High Rock. So I'm definitely putting NAUYACA Falls on the must-see if you ever visit Costa Rica. This is one of the most beautiful waterfalls I've ever seen. Amazing.